Today we are turning yesterday's grill into today's crispiest, smokiest samosas. Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you had Nyama Choma over the weekend and there is some left in the fridge, this recipe is for you. Zero waste, maximum flavor. Now Nyama Choma already has that smoky grill taste. We are not cooking the meat again from scratch. We are just giving it a new home inside a crispy samosa. And the best part is it tastes even better the second day. Now best is add some oil in a pan and saute your garlic, your onions, your carrots and green pepper. Add them in there, cook for a while, for 2 to 3 minutes until it's soft. Now we don't want it at this point. You can add in your chopped Nyama Choma. Cook for another 3 minutes. Remember, we don't want the beef. We don't want the nyama to dry out. So guys, what is samosa without adding in some coriander? Now you add this in last so that the aroma stays in there. I'm also going to use some paprika, some cumin and a bit of salt because you know the nyama already has enough salt, just a bit of salt, and the cube also has a bit of salt, so you be a bit gentle with the salt. There, our filling is complete and ready. Now guys, let this cook completely. This is a secret to crispy samosas that don't burst. Now here we have our samosa sheets. Now to make our glue for the samosa folds, we are going to mix 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and a bit of water. You can adjust the water according to your flour. Now take your samosa sheet, fold it into a cone. Now do this with all your samosa sheets until you're done with the process and we go. Please enjoy, and as you enjoy it, please let me know, have you ever tried this? What is the hardest part for you when you're making samosas? Please let's share in the comment section, and please don't forget to share, subscribe and enjoy the recipe. Please try it out and let me know how it went. Okay, sorry. So in your samosa, get a spoon, add your filling in it. Please don't overfill. Seal the edges with that flour paste that we have just made. So you see guys, this is so easy. Even if you've never made samosas before, this is just going to go so smooth and so well, and the flavors, my god. Now do this with all the samosa fillings, samosa sheets left, and now in an oil pan, make sure your oil is ready so that your samosas don't soak up the oil. Make sure your oil is ready. Cook on medium heat and cook your samosas, guys. Now please don't forget, as soon as they are golden brown, please take them out. You're going to cook at least 3 minutes on each side. Now prepare a paper sheet or newspapers where your samosas start from so that they soak out all the excess oil. Guys, look at that, crispy outside, smoky, spicy Nyama Choma inside. Serve with Kachubali or some chili sauce. So best is, next time you have leftover Nyama Choma, don't reheat it, make samosas. Ciao!